Hello everyone! Chapter 15, Proofing, Ensuring the Accuracy of Information. We'll be talking about Ensuring the Accuracy of Information, page 140. So let's start. Here are some ways to ensure that material is accurate. First of all, if you present facts, you should always check using several reliable sources. So when presenting facts, you should always make sure that what you're saying is coming from a trustworthy or a reliable source. Also, you should ask someone knowledgeable about the subject to check the material for accuracy of information. So we should always ask a person that knows well about the subject, so he or she can check the accuracy of the information presented. Moreover, use spelling and grammar checkers provided in the software. For example, spelling and grammar mistakes found in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint presentation, and Excel. In addition, the more people who look at your work, the more mistakes are likely to be spotted. So when a majority of people check our work, more mistakes are highlighted or spotted in order for us to correct them. Lastly, proofread your work carefully by reading through it slowly to check it makes sense and there is nothing missing. So we should read our work carefully and slowly to make sure that what we've written is logic and correct. So, this was about ensuring the accuracy of information.